What type of drinking water test do you need? There are several different tests used when laboratories establish the quality of drinking water. Deciding the needed test can be complicated without the correct recommendations. Here at Southern Scientific Services, we have created an easy guide to help you decide which drinking water test you need to carry out. Consider the following. Testing for water quality is broken down into 5 suites. Number 1. The bacterial suite. This suite includes the bacteria tests for coliforms and E. coli to determine if the water has harmful bacteria arising from contamination by sewage and human or animal wastes. You might suspect bacterial contamination if your water is discolored, has a foul or unusual odor or taste. If your well is situated close to a septic tank or wastewater treatment system, a farmyard, land where slurry is spread, or near any suspect industrial source of groundwater contamination, testing for bacteria is recommended. After heavy rainfall, wells are susceptible to contamination. Wells drilled into limestone and shale bedrock areas are also exceptionally prone to bacterial infection. A household member with an upset stomach or diarrhea may indicate contamination. It is advisable to check your drinking water sources for bacteria at least once per year according to the CDC and the WHO. Number 2. The basic chemical suite. This suite includes pH, color, odor, taste, lime, iron, manganese, and other indicators that tell if the water is chemically and aesthetically sound. This suite tells you whether the water is corrosive on your plumbing work or if there is a limescale issue. You may want to have these tests carried out if there are changes in color, odor, or taste in your drinking water supply. Number 3. The comprehensive suite. This suite includes parameters in suite 1 and 2, along with all the major cations and ions, pollutants, indicator parameters, extrabacterial tests, metals, some organics, disinfectants, and disinfectant byproducts. This test is recommended to anyone using water for commercial or industrial activities. This includes food and beverage, pharmaceutical or cosmetic preparation, irrigation, agricultural use, and the bottling of water products. This suite is equivalent to the World Health Organization's complete water test. Number 4. Metals. Metals like iron and manganese can cause problems for plumbing systems. Aluminium can be a problem in treated waters causing flock particles. Other metals such as lead and arsenic are toxic even in small doses. We recommend this suite if you have a problem plumbing in your house or, in the case of water wells, if there are changes in industrial activity in the region. In all cases, check for this suite if your water develops a dark discoloration or if there are certain metal-bearing ores and minerals occurring in the bedrock near your water supply. This information is available at osi.ie. Number 5. Organics. This is a broad suite of substances which covers the byproducts of chlorination, industrial contamination, hydrocarbons, solvents, and pesticides. This test can be used to detect excessive chlorination levels, initially indicated by a pungent odor or unusual taste in your drinking water. Since the suite includes several subsets of parameters, it is advisable to consult with the laboratory before choosing a set for analysis. The source of industrial contamination and pesticides is often more challenging to determine than other compounds. Therefore, a laboratory consultation may be needed to decide if the suspect contaminant is a herbicide, a fungicide, or an insecticide. If you suspect that increased agricultural or industrial activity in the region has caused the contamination, then this suite is recommended. A common source of water contamination from hydrocarbons would be home and industrial heating oil or diesel spillage. This suite also provides a test for this. Solvents from paint thinners, paint, dry cleaning, or industrial activity can make its way into groundwater. The organic suite of analysis detects the chemicals used in these products. If you need a bacterial test, Suite 1 is available separately as a microbiological test. Remember, a basic test includes suites 1 and 2. If these suites match your requirements, try our basic drinking water test. If you want to know more about your water's composition, you will need suite 3, the comprehensive test. If your drinking water supply requires a test for all the metals in Suite 4, we recommend our Metals in Water test. An advanced test includes all 5 suites. If you need this, try our standard drinking water test and add a metals test and a THM water test. Note that water tested for drinking purposes is also suitable for animal consumption, food preparation, and for several other industrial processes such as washing and the cleaning of products, containers, surfaces, preparation of detergents and cleaning solutions, preparation of certain cosmetics and healthcare products, preparation of certain industrial chemicals, specific applications where water is used for cooling, heating, and ventilation. If you're still unsure about which drinking water test is right for you, contact us on 066 976 3588.